now I will talk about how to use the purchase credit note. So for the purchase credit note, you need to go to internal purchase credit note applet. So this internal purchase credit note applet mainly you need to use when you have some increase on your supplier payment. Okay, so here let's say if your supplier send you sales debit note, then in the system you need to create purchase credit note in order to increase your payment, your billing to the supplier side. So here is the applet. So you just need to use the first line. You create. After you click create, you need to just key in the main details. So you scroll down, you select the branch, and then location, and then if you have any reference, maybe any reference number that you receive from your supplier, for example like their has debit note running number, then you can put it here, and then you can put as some remarks also. Then after that you can just continue with the next one. You just directly go to account first. In the account you need to select which supplier is it. Then after you select the supplier, if it's related to e-invoice, maybe you need to do self-built e-invoice, then you can come to e-invoice tab and update the submission type and check the details, everything. If this credit note doesn't need e-invoice, means your supplier is the one who send you the e-invoice, then you just ignore this e-invoice part, directly go to the lines. Okay, so in the lines, then you need to add the item, maybe like they charge you some extra payment, like maybe delivery payment, like delivery charges. Then you just click in and then update the price. Then you just continue. Usually you can able to select the pricing scheme, or you also can edit the unit price. Okay, then after you update the price, you add. So once you add, then actually you can final it and then save. So after you final, the next step is, since it's increasing the payment, so next step is you pay the amount, right? So when you creating the payment voucher, then you can contrast this purchase credit note with the payment voucher. Or if you have already made the payment, then you can just directly click into the purchase credit note. You can go to contrast here. Then you click create, then you are able to see the outstanding payment voucher. Okay, then you can click at contract. Currently there is no outstanding payment voucher, so you cannot do the contract. Okay, or you can do some filtering as well. So that's all for the purchase credit note actually.